Hey, this is a video about my balisongs, or butterfly knives. First I'll start off with the Benchmade 30 SPL. I don't know what SPL stands for, probably Special, Limited, whatever. But I bought this off some dude on knife forums, and it's limited. As you can read that, 62 of 100. It's got the T-latch, pins construction. This one is actually for sale. If anyone is interested, shoot me a message. Yeah, Benchmade 30. Here's the 42. The spring latch, titanium handles, 154 cm blade. And this one is not for sale. And then I have this Sabo fly, spider called Sabo fly. VG10 titanium handles and VG10 blade, and it's got this kind of a point. This is the wicked ass blade. Super sharp too. It totally punctures, man. It's got a swedge here. This sweet swoop on the back. Comfortable to hold, super comfortable. Yeah. Last but not least, I only have 4. Is my the one balisong I've always wanted. The Cold Steel Archangel with the clip point blade. I think it's D2 steel or something. Or it's some kind of carbon steel blade. Not very rust resistant at all, if you ask me. And it's got the T-latch and this clip, which I'm not a fan of. Yeah. But it's smooth. And these are my balisongs. I hope you enjoyed them. Not very focused because it doesn't autofocus. But there you go. Yeah, there's no latch gate on the 30. Look at that shine. Baby. Yep. So basically only the 30 is for sale. The Zabo fly might be for sale. This is not for sale, and this is not for sale. So you can shoot me a message if you're interested. For this one, I'm looking for 130 shipped in the US. Please, you must be 18 years of age to order, blah blah blah, and know your own knife laws. I live in California, and I have this, but I do not carry outside, and that's perfectly fine, I believe. And this, yeah, whatever. Alright.